ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ cos theta divided by sin theta whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta whole divided by cos theta. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ ಜಾಗ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತೆಗೆದದ್ದು, ಇದನ್ನು ಸಹ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತೆಗೆದದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. See here sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta, and here cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆನ್ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ sin square theta whole divided by ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, cos theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ತರ cos square theta whole divided by sin theta into sin theta into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ cos theta into sin theta. ಸೊ cos theta minus sin theta. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ನಾನು ಬಿಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್, ಟಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್. I will open one more tab, white board, so that ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾಯ್ತು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್, ಇದ್ರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ here below you get sin square theta, ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, divided by, you are keeping it same, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು, minus, okay, cos square theta divided by, see here I have taken minus outside now, so that minus minus will be plus. ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಪುನಃ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. Okay, so this becomes sin theta minus cos theta. Correct? So this is how this equation comes. Hey, I just need a help actually, one nimsha. The question only whether we had plus or minus itta starting only. Sorry, we had plus there. Okay, sorry. Andre illi plus ittu, here we had plus, here we had plus, even here here also we had plus. So idenagutte, if I take eraser now, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎರಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ. but we have this sine theta and cos theta. So you have to cross multiply now. So on cross multiplying, this sine theta will be multiplied here, so that you will get sine cube theta whole divided by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Oh, sorry. Sine cube theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta, correct? Minus, you're multiplying this cos to here, so that you will get cos cube theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta. So now we have common denominator, same common denominator, alva? So that you will get sine cube theta minus cos cube theta whole divided by sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, and then now you have to apply a formula which is a cube minus b cube. Can you tell me what is the formula, Prajwal? You have solved this, right? What is the formula? A cube minus b cube formula. Okay, anybody knows it?
A cube minus b cube is equal to
Okay.
a minus b into
A minus b into
a square plus b square plus ab.
okay, so this is how you can write, but in a even in a simpler way, you can, yeah, no, it's okay, we can solve like this. Okay, now substitute it here. I will just erase these part, okay, or else there is no space to, because this is a very big problem. Okay. Okay, yeah. A square plus b square, sorry. AB. So this is a formula. Now you substitute here sine cube, right? Sine cube, sine is, you can write it as sine theta minus cos theta, correct? See, a cube minus b cube formula. A is sine theta, b is cos theta. Okay. Next, sine square theta plus cos square theta plus cos theta into sine theta. Correct? Whole divided by sine theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now what happens? This and this get cancelled. So what you will get at the end? So at the end, you will get. Just give me a second. Okay, so here you get sine square theta plus cos square theta plus cos theta into sine theta. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I did so many mistakes today. Nodi, we have multiplied this cos theta here, correct? And sine theta here, correct? So while taking common denominator, what we have to suppose to do? We have to multiply this to here and this to here, and this should be same, right? It will be same. But I missed to write cos theta into sine theta in the denominator, right? So that is a mistake that I did now. So cos theta into sine theta, that I missed there. So I'll write it here, cos theta into sine theta. Okay, and whole divided by cos theta into sine theta. Now what happens? This sine square theta plus cos square theta is how much? It is 1. Alva? This is nothing but 1 plus cos theta into sine theta whole divided by cos theta into sine theta. Now what happens? Now I'll just use here. ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, actually I'm using graphic board. I'm using it for the first time, so I'm a bit okay. So this 1 plus cos theta sin theta alva. Similarly you can write like this, divide by cos theta into sin theta. Now what happens, this will be 1, but here 1 by cos theta is what, sec theta. 1 by sin theta is what, cosec theta. So plus 1. So this is the answer. So it's a very lengthy problem. It's not so important for the exam, but you should know the steps. Okay, I don't know, sometimes question, I mean, the person who is giving question paper might, like, if his mood is not so good, then he might give this question. Okay, great. Let's move on to the next problem now. Okay, this one. Fourth one, this problem. So they have asked us to prove separately. So LHS and RHS separately, right? So what you have to do first we have to start like this, correct? So 1 plus CK. How you can write CK? CK is nothing but 1 by cos A, correct? Whole divided by CK. How you can write? Again 1 by cos A. So how to write this? This cos A plus 1 whole divided by cos A and whole divided by 1 by cos A, correct? Now what happens? This cos A and cos A get cancelled, correct? So that you will be remaining with 1 plus cos A. So you have proved one side. Next, let's go to the other side. Sin square A. Okay, just a minute. I will take okay, let's go to the whiteboard so that it will be easy for you to understand. Just write the question. Okay, yeah. So this is the problem now. Okay, now see here, sin square A, correct? So one side we have already proved. Okay, sin square A, how we can write? You already know that cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1, correct? So how you can write it here? You can write it as 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A, correct? So how you can write this? Formula that this is in the form of A square minus B square, right? So you can write it as 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A, so that this cos A and cos A will get cancelled, so that you will be remain with 1 plus cos A. Now check both right hand side and left hand side, both answers are same. So this is the meaning of prove separately, LHS and RHS separately. So then you have to prove like this. Did you understand this problem now? Did you understand this problem? Let me know fast. Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next problem now. Okay, great. Hopefully everyone understood. Okay, let's go to this problem now. Which one? Yeah, this one solved. Next we have, yeah, this problem. Okay, I'll just write the question here. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Okay, so this is a problem. What they have asked us, see, they have asked us using the identity cosec square a minus cot square a, you have to use that formula. Okay, so what you can do, you can write this as okay, we can use this as cos a minus sin a plus 1. There you can introduce cosec square a minus cot square a. Correct? So that is what they have informed there. Correct? Alba? They have told us to use formula. That's important. Alba? Just give me a minute. Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah. So that's where they have told us to use the formula, correct? So ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? What I have to do next? Tell me. Any idea? No idea? What is just a minute? What to prove? I forgot the question. Okay, you have to prove cosec a plus cot a. Okay. Okay. I will solve now. If you don't know. Okay. Just give me a minute to use annotation. Okay. Minus 1. Okay. So now cos a minus sin a. How you can write this cosec square a? Can write it as 1 by sin square a minus 1 cos square a divided by sin square a. Correct, Alva? This is how you can use. Okay. Similarly, I will be using one more formula here also in the denominator, same formula. Let's use as it is now. Let's see. Okay. No, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ but you will be having negative sign here, so that you will get 1 by sin square a minus cos square a divided by sin square a. Correct? So next, on solving this, you will get cos a minus sin a plus what you have now here, sin square is a common, right? So you can take it as 1 minus cos square a whole divided by sin square a, and then whole divided by, okay, so you can take it as cos a plus sin a minus 1 minus cos square a divided by sin square a. Now what you have to do is you have to this step is a bit complicated. Just give me a minute. Once I'll check here in paper. I made some mistake here. Can I identify any mistake? Did you identify any mistake? Okay, I think I have introduced formula somewhere. Let's see. Just give me a minute. Okay, yeah. Let's try other way. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Um, let's solve by. Let's divide whole. The upper value. Divide by sine A. So that is cos A minus sine A plus 1 whole divided by 1 by sine A into cos A plus sine A minus 1. We are just dividing it because we need cot A ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ and cot A ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ sin A by cos A ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ ಕಾರಣ we are just dividing 1 by sin A. Let's try this method. Now you take the sin A inside, so what you will get? Cos A divided by sin A minus 1 because sin A by sin A is 1 plus 1 by sin A whole divided by what you will get here? Cos A divided by sin A, okay, plus 1 minus 1 by sin A. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ what you will get? You will get as cot A minus 1 plus 1 by sin A is nothing but cosec A whole divided by what you will get? Again cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, I think now let's use the formula. Okay, so that's the mistake I did there. Now it will be perfect. So cot A plus cosec A, I'm just rephrasing this. Okay, minus 1, keeping minus 1 the other side. Similarly, let the denominator part, let it be as it is. There is nothing wrong. Let's keep as it is. Okay, now see here, 1 can be introduced with cot A plus cosec A. Okay, minus 1 can be introduced with cosec square A minus cot square A. Correct? That is the formula. Correct? That is the formula we are introducing now. Okay, so the denominator, let it be as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, now it takes some more space here, so I'll be erasing the upper part. Okay, because all these problems are lengthier. If you need, I can write it and I can send you. Okay, ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you just inform me. So what I'll be doing is I'll be sending you. Okay, if you need separately. Okay, now what you're doing here is, okay, so cot A cosec A. Let's write as it is, cot A plus cosec A. Okay, now closely observe here. This is the form of A square minus B square, alva? So you can write this as cosec, for if you want, I can write like this, cosec A plus cot A. Okay, similarly cosec A minus cot A. Okay, whole divided by, okay, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Hope you have understood this. See, I have, just this equation idella. This is in the form of A square minus B square. So I've written it as A plus B into A minus B. Okay, correct alla? Now observe here. Correct, no? Yeah, correct. Again, I have to erase there is no space. Okay, so now see, here we have here, sorry, here we have cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A. So what you can do, you can take common cot A, you can take outside, you can take outside, so that cot A plus cosec A. If you remove outside, what you'll get here, you'll get 1, correct? Minus, you have minus here. So you have removed this, Alva. So when it goes inside, what happens? Minus cosec A plus cot A, correct, Alva? So because you have removed this out, and this is common, Alva. So 1 minus, this will be multiplied to this, correct? So minus cosec A cot A whole divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now observe, this and this will get cancelled. Why? Why? Because both these are same, correct? So the final answer will be cot A plus cosec A. Okay. See, the mistake what I did is initially only I started to see the barde. So that is a big problem that I did. Okay. Other than that, fine. Okay. So if you want this again, I will solve and send so that it can be very clear. Okay. Fine. Let's move on to the next problem. This one, correct? So first, on writing the question, 1 plus sine A. You cannot see here, but I'll later I'll share whiteboard. Okay, you have to prove sec A plus tan A. Correct? Fine. How to solve this? See, initially, when you come across these kind of problem, okay, first thing that you have to do is you have to multiply it, you have to rationalize it. Okay, so 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A. While rationalizing, what you have to do, you have to multiply it with the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate, and then we have to change the sign here. So multiplying and dividing by 1 plus sine A, okay, divided by 1 plus sine A. Next, what happens when you further solving this? You will get square root of 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A whole square, correct? See, 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A whole square divided by 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A, correct? Correct now? Okay. Now, what you can write, let's keep this as it is, 1 plus sine A whole square, okay, divided by. So, this is in the form of A plus B, A minus B, correct? So, you can write it as 1 square minus sine square A, correct? So, on taking the square root, what happens? You will be remaining with only 1 plus sine A, correct? Denominator, you will be having cos square A, because you know cos square A plus sine square A is equal to 1. That is 1 minus sine square A is nothing but cos square A. And taking square root, see what you will get. You will get, I'll write here, you will get 1 plus sine A divided by cos A. Okay. You have to get sec and tan A. So now you have to closely observe whether you are up to the point. Yes, you are up to the point, because 1 by cos A plus sine A divided by cos A. So what is the answer? 1 by cos A is nothing but sec A plus sine A by cos A is tan A. So hence the proof. Correct? So this is how you can just solve the problem. Did you understand this? Did you understand? You can take the screenshot if you want, okay, so that you can write it later. Fine. Shall I move on to the next problem? Okay. Next problem, we have this. Correct? So I'll be writing the question. Sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta, and you have to prove equal to tan theta. Okay, so this is how we have to solve. Okay, now how we can solve this? Easy. Okay, see here. What is common here? We'll solve from here. Okay. Sorry. So what's common here in the first? Sine theta is common, right? You're taking sine theta outside so that you get 1, correct? Sine theta. In the denominator, we have cos theta common. So remove cos theta outside so that you'll get 2 cos square theta minus 1. Correct? So this is how, easy thing that we have did now. Okay, fine. Now, sine theta divided by cos theta. We have sine theta by cos theta, right? So that is nothing but tan theta. Correct? So that's nothing but tan theta. Now let's do one thing. Okay, let's keep this as it is. Let's keep this as it is. But in a denominator, okay, let's introduce 2 into 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, because see here, cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta, right? Minus 1. So after solving, what will get? Tan theta into 1 minus 2 sine square theta whole divided by, okay, so 2 minus 2 sine square theta minus 1. What happens? 2 minus 1. What is the answer? What is the answer? It is 1, right? So that 1 minus 2 sine square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So this cancels, so that the final answer is tan theta. Okay, did you understand? Look this properly. Only the change we have done is here. After taking common, okay, we are introducing, multiplying like this, and here for cos square theta, we are substituting with 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so that's how we did. Okay, did you understand? Guys, okay, okay, fine. Let's move on to the next problem then. I'll just write the question. Okay. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec square A. Okay. And you have to prove it as 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. You have to prove this. Okay. So this is a problem now. Okay. How we can solve? First, let's apply a plus b whole square formula, correct? Let's apply a plus b whole square formula, this one. So it will get, we'll get sine square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sine a into cosec a. Correct? This one. Okay. Next, we have this whole square here, right? So again, writing this, what we'll get? Cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 into cos a into ck. Correct? So a plus b whole square formula we used. Okay. Next, coming to here. See, closely observe. Okay. Cosec square, let's write as it is. What happens here? This get cancelled. Why? Because sine a into cosec a is nothing like this, right? So sine a get cancelled. So that you will get 2 as answer here. Plus cos square a plus sec square a. Let's write as it is. And observe here, cos a and sec are reciprocal, right? So they will get cancelled. Okay. And observe here, sine square a plus cos square a. What is answer? That is 1, correct? 1 plus this 2 is here and the other 2 is here and the remaining is cosec square a plus sec square a. Correct alla? Okay. Yeah. So now what you can do is you introduce a formula. See, this is 1, 2, 4, sorry, 5, right? 5 plus cosec square a. What formula you have? You have 1 plus cot square a, correct? Plus, what do you have for sec square a? It is 1 plus tan square a, correct? So what happens now? 5 plus 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. So this is a final answer. Do you understand? We apply a plus b whole square formula. Okay. And then we directly solved things by, always you have to check for the formula. Okay. The first one you have to always think for sine square a plus cos square a. If that's there, then you can write it as 1 easily. Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next problem. And the last bit one. This problem, right? So writing the question, cosec a minus sine a, okay, into sec a minus cos a is equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a. So they have asked us to find separately. Okay, they have asked us to solve separately, not LHS mate RHS separate agi madbeku. Okay, let's solve here. Cosec a, how we can write? You can write it as 1 by sine a minus sine a, okay, into sec a by cos a minus cos a. Just take rub this. Okay. So what happens here? 1 minus sine square a divided by sine a. Correct, Allah? Correct? Because you have multiplied here. So that 1 minus sine square a by sine a. So this is one thing. Next, multiplying this, so that 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. So it is 1 minus sine square A, that is cos square A, divided by sine A. What is 1 minus cos square A? It is sine square A divided by cos A. So what happens? One cos get cancelled and one sine get cancelled. So what you will get? Will get cos A into sine A. So this is on your left hand side. Now let's solve on the right hand side. Okay. On right hand side, how we can solve? 1 divided by, okay, tan A is nothing but sine A divided by cos A plus cot A is nothing cos A divided by sine A. Correct? So on solving this, what you'll get? You can multiply this so that you'll get sine square A plus cos square A divided by cos A into sine A, whole divide 1 divided by this, because you are multiplying here and the denominator multiplied this, correct? So that you will get 1 divided by sine square A plus cos square A. What is the answer? It is 1 divided by cos A into sine A, correct? So this will go to the numerator, so that you will get cos A into sine A. Okay, so both left hand side and right hand side we have same answer. So hence the proof. Okay, did you understand? Or just look into this problem now, for just observe. Did you understand? Only Abhiram understood, others didn't understand. Shall I explain again? Okay. Okay, Pavana. Smriti, Hitaishi. Okay. So RHS. Okay. RHS. See, I have just written this. See, Aditya, 1 divided by tan A can be written as sin A by cos A plus cot A can be written as cos A by sin A. Right. So what I did here, see, I have told you, if we have A by B plus C by D, then what you're doing, you have to multiply here A into D plus B into C whole divided by B into D. So this is how you can, same thing I have did here, 1 divided by sine into sine square A, cos into cos square A, whole divided by cos A into sine A. Okay, so 1 divided by sine square A plus cos square A is nothing but 1, right? So 1 divided by 1 divided by cos A into sine A. And then this will go up, right? This will automatically go up, so that you will get cos A into sine A. Did you understand now? Okay, great. So we have last problem. By that, here we end this chapter. So you can write all these problems, because in schools they will not solve all the problems. I'm sure, 200% sure, because I have seen in previous classes in previous batches. 1 plus, sorry, 1 plus tan square A divided by so this equal to 1 minus tan A, sorry, it's not there, divided by, it's got a whole square equal to tan square A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ tan square A ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೌ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 plus tan square A. What is 1 plus tan square A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is nothing but sec square A, correct? 1 plus cot square A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is nothing but cosec square A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ how we can write cosec 1 by cos square A divided by 1 by sin square A. Correct? Because sec is 1 by cos, correct? So what you will get? This sin square will go up, so that you will get sin square A divided by cos square A. So what is the answer? It is tan square A. Hence the proof. Correct? So let's solve this now. You have 1 minus tan A. 1 minus alla, correct alla? Oh, correct. So what you can do, you can just put this tan A can be written as, sorry, sin A divided by cos A whole divided by 1 minus cos A divided by sin A and whole square you have. Okay, so after solving this, what will get? Cos A minus sin A divided by cos A, correct? And then whole divided by sin A minus cos A whole divided by sin A. So now this whole square, correct? So observe here how we can write this: cos A into minus sin A divided by cos A, multiplying this sin A will come up, right? Sin A will come up and this will be down. But see here, you can cancel this cos A and sin A, but we have opposite sign here. So what you have to do, you can take minus outside and then you can write cos A minus, just a minute, cos A minus sin A, correct? So what happens, this and this will get cancelled, so that, and this whole square is there, correct? So that what will get, minus sin A divided by cos A whole square. What is sin A by cos A? That is nothing but tan, right? So minus tan A whole square. Minus whole square andre plus aguttalla, so that you will get tan square A. So hence the proof. Did you understand till here? Last problem. Okay. See, you might feel a bit difficult or you might feel easy, but both are very dangerous in case of trigonometry. Why? Because you will get to know only if you solve. Even I do mistakes, sometimes when I am doing it. So you should be very perfect when solving the problems, or else it is very difficult. Okay, I'll do in the next class, because introduction trigonometry might take long time, but I will tell some of the things that you should remember while coming to the next class. Okay, first thing, while coming to the next class, I mean tomorrow, you should remember following things. See, for example, if you have triangle like this, okay, if you have angle here, then for example, if they give hypotenuse, okay, if they give 51, okay, and they have given some angle here 60 degree, then they will ask find this side. Then how you will find? Then you should know whether you have to use cos or sine or tan. See, you have angle, that means you have theta, correct? And you have hypotenuse value, that is 51. But you don't know the value of opposite side. So which formula we have to use? Automatically it is sine theta, correct? Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So what you know the value? So that is sine 60 is equal to opposite side you don't know. So I'll write it as AB, and hypotenuse you know the value 51. So AB is equal to 51 into root 3 divided by 2. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is how you have to solve. So for this, you should know the formulas. So I will be repeating again. So if you have a triangle like this, so sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, and cot theta beta, tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So this you should remember properly. Okay, coming to the next class. Okay, and please try to solve the problems again. ನಾನೀಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪುನಃ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? Please try to solve again. Okay.